subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Poco has launched its new smartphone under GT lineup in Malaysia and Vietnam called Poco X3 GT with a stylish rear camera module. Talking about the specifications, the Poco X3 GT features a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate. The screen supports HDR10 and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass vectors. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1100 chipset paired with Mali G77 MC9 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the camera, the Poco X3 GT supports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 64MP main camera with f1.79 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 120° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with MIUI 12.5 skin on top, and it houses a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 67W turbo charging. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it comes with liquid cooling 2.0 technology that keeps the phone cool in extreme conditions. And it also includes Dolby Atmos plus high-res audio system for better sound experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.3 by 75.9 by 8.9mm and it weighs around 193 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Poco X3 GT has been priced in Malaysia for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1299 Malaysian ringgits, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 1599 Malaysian ringgits. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from August 3rd in cloud white, stargaze black and wave blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Poco X3 GT smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.